Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about logical operators in C#, specifically N and OR. We will look at the simple game development examples, like checking if a player can enter a dungeon or how enemies react to the player. We are still working in the console, not Unity yet, but this logic is used all the time when building games. So let's go step by step and keep it beginner friendly. If you be never seen this before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand it. Are you wondering what is logical operators? The logical operators are used when one condition is not enough. So many times in games, you don't just ask one question, you ask multiple questions at the same time. For example, can the player enter this area? Is the player level high enough? And does the player have a key? That's where logical operators come in. Let's start with N. Let N has double upperstand. N means all conditions must be true. Think about a player entering a dungeon. We start writing console, write line, enter your player level. We finish with semicolon. Int level equal convert dot to int 32 open parentheses console readline. We finish. Below I will write console readline the same. Do you have the key? We open parentheses. True or false. Write bool has key equal convert true bool or true boolean and the same. Write int level greater than equals 10. N has key equal true. Open curly brackets console write line you can enter the dungeon. If not, use else. You write the same console write line and you write you cannot enter. Here's what happening. The player must be level 10 or higher, and the player must have the key. If one of these is false, the whole condition is false. For example, my level is 11. It say, do you have the key? False. You cannot enter. If my level is not 10 or below, example 9, I write true. I cannot enter. But if it's true, I can enter. So N is strict. Games are not full of strict rules. I use Another example, the enemy behavior using the OR operator. Now let's talk about OR. Latent has pipe. OR means only one condition needs to be true. Imagine a safe zone in a game. Like it is, enemies ignore the player if the player is invisible or friendly. Let's start. Rating console. Right now is the player invisible. We open the parentheses, true or false. Bull is invisible equal, we write the same, convert to Boolean. And we finish console readline. We read the same console readline and write it like it is the player friendly open parentheses, true or false. And now we back use the same. Bull is friendly equal if the player is invisible or the player is friendly. Or is friendly. We open curly brackets and I write the same. Console right now enemies will ignore you. If the player is friendly, the enemies will ignore them. Only one condition needs to be true. And what if is false? Write else, open curly brackets, console right line, enemies will attack you, and how this works. Is the player invisible? I'll write true. Is the player friendly? True. The enemies will ignore you. False. False. The enemies will attack me. Or is more flexible. It gives the player options. Right now, we are using the console and that's fine, but when we move to Unity, this logic doesn't change. You will use this for checking the player health, checking stamina, checking if an enemy should attack, checking if a level is unlocked. Unity adds graphics, physics, and animation, but the brain of the game is still C# logic. If logical operators feel confusing right now, that's normal. The key is practice and taking in-game situations, not math. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.